My name is Delphine Bard and I'm a principal acoustician and co-founder at AlfaDB. We provide acoustic comfort solution. We are working in different sectors like workspaces, hospitalities, education facilities, and so on. It's a field where a good sound environment is crucial in order to reach better performances. Since I am the principal acoustician, it's more technology-based. It's me who is developing the technological solution for the clients. I work in this field since more than 20 years. I work principally in room design from the beginning. And another part where it's quite important is what we call building acoustics. It's mainly related to sound insulation. Actually, what is important, if you have a good sound environment in a working space, for example, it has been shown that there is a direct correlation between high productivity and low sound level, meaning that if you have a better sound environment, you will have a higher productivity.
In order for us to provide a quality acoustic project, we work closely with architects, project managers, and even building owners. This is where our appointment is very important to determine at the very early stage of the project. This will generate a lot of savings in a possible retrospective of the project.
So what kind of projects that I usually handle? I usually handle projects for multinational company where we do their fit-out renovations for their office, typically in Malaysia and KL. Most of our clients, they have budget for IT, AV, design, and when they talk about IT and AV equipment, right, they will have also budgets for acoustic treatment.
One of the sectors that we serve is workspace acoustic. This is where our expertise and professional engagement is able to optimize the acoustic comfort in a workspace. We know that collaborations and communications is one of the important roles in our organization. However, the focus and privacy has been sacrificed in most of this workspace environment.
It is sort of like a trend now where they're concerned about the privacy when they have in the meeting or video conference or audio conference. So they do focus a lot on acoustic treatment in the room. Design and budget is more important when it comes to acoustic treatment because it all starts from the design of the whole office. What kind of finishes are we planning on four walls or on the ceiling or on the floor? Our designers will usually combine both aesthetic when it comes to design, but at the same time it has also acoustic performance where they absorb the echo and also limit the transmission of noise between rooms.
With AlfaDB, we provide all these solutions required in your workspace environment, from providing the right materials, products, and space requirement available. Planning your acoustical requirements at the very early stage of the project will save you a lot of cost on the possible retrofits if it is early identified. It will also produce a high productive and high performance workforce at the long run.
As an office manager, facility manager, or architect, you may be familiar with the challenges of creating an optimal work environment that promotes productivity and minimizes distractions. If excessive noise levels and lack of privacy are hindering your employees' concentration, you may find a solution in the AlfaDB sound masking system. This innovative system is designed to effectively and efficiently reduce distractions in open-plan offices, meeting rooms, hybrid workplaces, and private offices. By masking unwanted background sounds and creating a more comfortable acoustic environment, SoftDB can help improve employee focus, privacy, and overall well-being. Our process: first, create a floor plan, considering walls, ceilings, and furniture. Second, place speakers strategically and connect them to a sound masking controller that generates the masking sound. Third, calibrate the system to ensure world-class sound masking coverage throughout the space. The sound masking controller then generates a masking sound as a mask to cover the unwanted noise in your office. Knowing not all the days at the office are the same, our patented sensors and adaptive volume will automatically adjust the amount of sound masking depending on the activity of each day. Our unique technology seamlessly blends into an endless variety of office environments, helping thousands of employees worldwide each day.